So this is how the beans in every cocoa pod is arranged. It ranges from 1 up to 55, not more than 55.
Really?
And not less than 1.
Welcome to See You Abroad, where I'm captivating your attention with real travel moments, the people, places, and experiences exactly as I live them. Here, you don't just watch me see the world, you experience it with me. Every step, every turn through my eyes. So if you're ready, come with me. See ya!
Mess. Messy me. And y'all just
Hello. Thank you, Madam. So how many cocoa trees are planted out here now?
Okay, so in this farm, we have a lot of trees.
Okay.
Because we have some young ones that are now coming up, including something like this.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So that is also a cocoa tree.
Oh.
We also have tiny ones that are yet to even grow up.
Okay.
Because whenever we have visitors, we give them the chance to taste the fresh cocoa beans.
Okay.
After tasting and you leave the bean in the farm, it gets to germinate.
Mm.
If you are to count all those trees in addition to the older ones, they're going to sum up to about 900 or 1,000.
Oh, wow. Okay.
But on a piece of land, which is 1 acre, it's supposed to contain 430 cocoa trees.
Ooh.
Yeah, including
wow.
other plants.
Okay.
Yam, cocoa yam, plantain, banana, for survival and all that.
Okay.
That's in the farm.
Ah.
So whenever you enter a cocoa farm, you'll be seeing permanent and temporary plants,
Okay.
whereby the permanent plants are serving as shading plants to prevent the sun from shining directly onto the cocoa. The temporary ones will be serving as food to the farmer. So the farmer gets to feed on them whilst he waits for the season of the cocoa.
Okay.
So permanent plants, we have mango trees, orange trees, soursop trees. And
Nice.
when it comes to the temporary ones, we have yam, cocoa yam, plantain, banana, pawpaw, and all that.
Nice.
So this is one of the original cocoa trees that was planted in the year 1879. There's another one down there with the signpost beside it.
Oh, wow.
So in this farm, these 2 trees are the oldest trees we are having.
Wow.
The tree is not looking all that big because cocoa trees don't grow to become big like the tree there.
Right.
So with the cocoa, we have varieties of them in the world.
Okay.
But in Ghana, we are only basing on 3 varieties.
Okay.
We have the hybrid, the Amel, and then the Amazonia.
Okay.
The one Tetteh Quarshie brought is the Amel.
Okay.
But before you start getting the fruits from the tree, it's going to take you 7 good years. Farmers were complaining that the gestation period is too long.
Yeah.
So research was done on it, and later on they got 2 other varieties that will start bearing fruits within 2 years.
Okay.
That is a hybrid and Amazonia.
Okay.
And those ones you start harvesting from that 2 years up to roughly 35 years. After that 35 years, the trees are not going to produce again.
Oh,
so you
wow.
need to cut them down and plant new ones.
Okay.
But with this, you don't need to cut it. When the plant is weak and is dying, another one shoots up to replace it. So looking at the tree here, you see we have 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
So 4 trees standing at a spot. Yeah.
Wow.
So this one, when the plant is losing its nutrients, another one brings up. You strike it open. Oh, sorry. So this is how the beans in every cocoa pod is arranged. It ranges from 1 up to 55, not more than 55.
Really?
And not less than 1. And this also can be taken in as a fruit, going to taste like either mango or soursop.
Oh,
So what we are having here are 2 different varieties.
Okay.
This one is the variety that Tetteh Quarshie brought. That is the Amel.
Okay.
And this one is the genetic ones, the hybrid. Yes.
Okay, so it's much bigger.
Going to taste no, the hybrid ones are a bit more sweeter than that.
Oh, yes. Okay.
So let's taste both to see which one is more sweeter.
Okay.
We don't chew, we don't bite. We just suck on it. Afterwards, you can throw the bean in the farm.
Okay.
So let's try this one first.
Okay.
You can take more than one. You suck on it.
Sweet.
The flavor.
That definitely tastes like a sweet mango. That's nice.
So when you're done, leave it anywhere.
Okay. That was
Let's
nice.
try this one to see if they are the same or one is sweeter than the other. What do you do, Joe?
Yeah. It's not as, yeah.
The first one is sweeter.
Yeah.
Yes.
To spoil the mood.
It had more flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So since this one is sweeter, I'm going to leave it out here for you
Okay.
and him, yes, to enjoy it.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Then I'll use this for the process.
Okay.
So we just bring out all the who's the crap.
Not nice at all.
Right. It was just plain. It was
just like.
it's just,
So we
yeah,
just
this is nice.
cover it up with another leaf.
Okay.
Put some stones and sticks around it to keep it airtight. So let's assume these are stones and sticks. Put them around it.
Okay.
We are going to leave them in the farm for 3 days.
Okay.
The process is done for 7 days, but on the 3rd day, the farmer comes around. We are having a placenta that keeps the beans together.
Okay.
And on the 3rd day, we need to separate the beans from the placenta,
Oh, okay.
which is very much easy to be removed.
Yep.
So this is our cocoa placenta.
Okay.
After taking it off, we put the beans back together in a heap form because we need heat in doing this process.
Okay.
Cover again with our stones and sticks.
Yeah.
Leave it for another 2 days, making 5 days.
Okay.
On the 5th day, the farmer will notice that the surface of the beans has turned from white to become brown. But because it's in a heap, when you go in beneath about 4 to 5 inches, that place is zero fermented. So you need to mix up the beans.
Okay.
After mixing for about 10 to 15 minutes, you cover it up again for the last 2 days. So the process goes like 3, 2, 2, making 7. And on the 7th day, everything will totally change to become brown.
Wow.
But they are still wet and we need to dry them.
Okay.
And in Ghana, we only use direct sunlight in drying up the cocoa beans. And this is the mat we use for the drying. It's made out from a raffia tree, being tied with this rope in such a way that whenever it's about to rain, you can easily roll the mat up.
That's
Together with
smart.
the beans, you put either rubber or roofing sheet on it to prevent the beans from becoming wet. Because whenever they get wet, you, the farmer, will lose your price at the market. Because all the beans are going to become moody.
Okay.
So depending on how the sun is scorching, roughly 2 to 3 weeks, your beans are dried up, ready to be processed into becoming the end product, the chocolate, Milo, and then the rest.
Wow.
The process we did in the farm, everything is done manually.
Okay.
But as soon as the beans get to the factory, machines are going to be applied to
Yeah.
it. So first they will roast the beans for a while, so it will be easy for them to take off the husks. So we have some husks on the bean. Machines are going to take off the husks, and we are going to get the cocoa nibs. So that is what they grind into powder.
Okay.
Mix it with sugar, add any additive to it to bring out the chocolate. So
Okay.
this is also classified to be 100% dark chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay.
So you can break it into 2, smell it and see if it does smells like chocolate.
It does.
Check for the color inside if it's dark brown.
Yep.
Okay. So I hope you love chocolate.
Yes. Typically not dark chocolate, but I'm also trying it.
Okay, so this happens to be the dark one, the 100% of it. So taste it to see if it does taste like dark chocolate.
It does.
Yeah. But is it bitter?
It's not terrible. No, it's not terrible.
Okay. So it's
I do prefer milk chocolate, but it's not terrible.
So this is the 100% dark
Wow.
chocolate. This is what we sell to the government here.
Okay.
Then it's being exported to Switzerland, Belgium, Japan, and other countries for the production of the chocolate, Milo, and then the rest.
Wow.
Now in cocoa farming, everything is useful. There is nothing being wasted.
Okay.
So the pod here, including the placenta, we are going to give it to animals like goats, cow, pig, and sheep.
Okay.
They have to feed on them.
Nice.
Whenever we leave them in the farm and they decompose, they come in as organic fertilizer.
Ah,
But the
smart.
moment they dry up, they turn out to become black.
Yeah.
And with this black pod, we are having a soap called the African black soap. This is what we use in making the black soap.
Okay.
If you want to prepare the soap, you have to get a lot of this, which is well dried. Burn it well into ashes, collect the ashes and add water to it. Sieve it, set it on fire. You add, become very thick.
Okay.
Add fragrance to it, then you shape it in any shape you want. You have your soap for bathing, which is good for the skin, for skin washes, for washing of the hair. It smoothens the skin and moisturizes your hair. So we don't waste this, and also this.
Never knew. Wow.
Now the juice around the seed, it also goes through another fermentation process for us to get alcoholic beverages. We have beverages like cocoa liqueur, cocoa gin, cocoa wine, and also cocoa brandy.
Wow.
So they have a way of extracting the juice whenever they are doing the fermentation process.
Okay.
Now, before they will patronize the beans from you, they need to check to see if your beans are quality.
Okay.
So randomly they select 1 or 2 beans, break it into 2 to see if the color inside the bean is dark brown.
Okay.
If it's dark brown, it's classified to be quality.
Wow. Okay.
But if it's not dark brown, we have a color in the fresh one, which is purple.
Oh.
So if you have your beans
wow.
this color, it's either rejected.
Oh, I never saw that.
Yes.
Wow.
So you don't need this.
Yeah.
So it's either they reject it or they will patronize it at a low cost. Then later on, they are now going to work on it before they will get the dried ones to go and sell.
Okay. So you can still use that.
Yes, but they have to do additional drying. Yes.
Okay.
And also, if you want to plant cocoa, this is what you plant in a whole bean like this, not divided into 2.
Okay.
So if you look here, this is the embryo going to develop into becoming a full-grown cocoa tree.
Okay.
But here, the embryo is dead.
Yeah.
So if you're planting this, there is no way it's going to germinate.
Okay.
Yes, this is what we plant.
Wow.
So as 60% goes outside Ghana, 40% remains here for our local production.
Nice.
So we also do produce chocolate here in the country, but not compared to the quantity the European countries produce.
Yeah.
And our chocolates, they've made it in such a way that the temperature here will be able to absorb it. Okay. So it's not going to melt even under the hot sun.
Really?
You can be seeing people selling chocolate bars which are not melting.
Interesting.
We don't put in more sugar.
Okay.
Yes, the cocoa percentage is very high, but the sugar quantity is very low, which prevents it from melting.
Very smart.
So that is it about cocoa.
That's
Do we have any questions so far?
No, that's awesome. Very interesting process that I never knew about.
We are not having any question again. That brings us to the end of our tour here in the farm. And once again, you're welcome to the very first cocoa farm in Ghana.
Thank you.
This
is awesome.
So this will be serving as a souvenir to you.
Thank you.
We have some chocolate and some black soap up there.
I was going to ask you how the soap, yeah.
So if you want to get some, you can get it up there.
Awesome. Perfect. Thank you. Yes. Thank you so much. I never knew that about the soap. Never knew.
A lot of people purchase it all the time.
And just like that, my visit to Ghana's first cocoa farm came to an end. And honestly, this ended up being one of those experiences that was way more interesting than I expected. And of course, I did not leave empty-handed. I bought chocolate while I was here, which, I ate through very fast, y'all. Literally had to go buy more later because there was no way I was leaving Ghana without bringing some chocolate back home. And of course, I had to get some authentic African black soap from the motherland. So fair warning, if you plan on buying more than one soap like I did, those bricks are heavy, okay? So definitely pack accordingly or leave yourself some extra luggage space because that weight will add up, okay? Don't say I never told you anything. Also, one of my favorite parts of the tour was tasting the cacao fruit itself. I could not get enough of it, okay? That hybrid variety, so sweet, so good. Definitely should have asked if I could buy another one for the road. That's how good it was. Experiences like this are exactly why I wanted to do this journey. Not just to see beautiful places, but to actually learn something and experience the culture more deeply. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for being here and exploring Ghana with me through my eyes. And be sure to subscribe because we still have so many more places to explore together. And trust me, you're not going to want to miss all the amazing places we're headed to. See ya!